Welcome. In this video, I'll show you at least 2 ways to remove your YouTube account from TV. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up YouTube. Now, once logged in, just go ahead over to the top, select your profile picture, and then go ahead and tap the right arrow key. And then as you can see here, I've got a ton of YouTube accounts. So just go ahead over to the gear icon at the very bottom of your specific account. And then you can just go ahead and tap on it and then just tap on remove account. Okay? Tap on it. As you can see here, you'll be signed out and the following accounts, channels, and profiles will be removed from this device as well. As these accounts right here is using a single Gmail account. So just tap on next and then go ahead and tap on remove finally. All right? Now another option, let's say you go ahead over to your specific TV's settings. And then go ahead over to account and profile right here. And then just find the account section or profile section. If your specific TV got a, what do you call this? Gmail account section, well, just go ahead and deregister or sign it out. Okay. Now as a bonus, you could just go ahead and delete the application. Okay. To start fresh, go ahead over to settings and then go ahead and find applications. And then once done, tap on manage installed apps. And then go ahead and find YouTube. Tap on it. And then in here, first up, you can go ahead and clear cache. You don't need to uninstall and reinstall it. Just clear the cache. Now the cleared data. Once the data is cleared, go ahead and go back and just open up YouTube and just basically log in. Or you can just continue as a guest. All right. And that is how you remove a YouTube account from TV. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.